Helping many in the South Asian community, Hands of Hope recently held another food drive in honor of Thanksgiving, bringing relief to the community in need. The food drive was held in collaboration with the World Vegan Vision. Here are some highlights of the food drive and comments from key members. Visit handsofhopenewjersey.org and worldveganvision.org for more information.
We're a food bank in Edison, New Jersey. We serve about 250 to 300 people every 2 weeks. This is Thanksgiving weekend and we've had a lot of people here today. So we're just managing the traffic and everything. So you can see the clients are all lined up here, and that's the main food bank. Usually we give them the food and a hot lunch inside, but because of COVID we've all come outside and it's a beautiful day. We're very lucky. So today most of our clients get a turkey, a full box of food, and a whole bunch of vegetables and milk. We've had about, I think, 250 customers already today. And that's what we do here every first and third Saturday. And I really like the fact that we're in Edison and we get a lot of Indian community kids to volunteer with us from Rutgers and stuff like that. So that's also a really nice treat. But that's about what we do here.
Hi, my name is Niren Chaudhary. I'm really, in a way, happy to be here to be part of the donation team here with World Vegan Visions. And we have some, obviously, volunteers from the Balaji Temple also. They will be here shortly. But this is one of the things that, it really struck us very much, because now is the time so many people need food and for their livelihood. We obviously hope that other community member from Indian community member, Asian community member will come again, support us like this, because today is the first day we are starting the Thanksgiving and holiday food donations, and apart from, we obviously donated thousands of the meals to hospitals and the police during the COVID, and this time we are starting with all the needy people to so that at least we can give something to them for their holiday seasons. And that is why we are starting today with the Hands of Hope, and hopefully we can continue it until the whole entire seasons.
I'm Uma Swaminathan, the president of the Association of Indians in America. But I've joined hands with the World Vegan Vision that has been founded by H.K. Shahji and Malti Shah. And today we are working for Hands for the community, and we are giving, donating. The World Vegan Vision is donating a lot of items and to support the community and support the people who are really needy. And Nitin Vyasji has contributed a lot. He works day and night. So let me have him talk to you more about it.
Today we are here at the Hands of Hope for the community. Today is a food drive. We are supporting the people, those who really require, and those who are needy, those who have been affected by the COVID, those who have lost their jobs. So World Vegan Vision has taken initiative. The World Vegan Vision, we started by H.K. Shah and Malti Shah, has decided to support this cause, and basically we are donating all the groceries. And we would like to thank so many people, those who are part of this today's event. We would like to thank Mr. Kanak Golia and Prabhaji for supporting us. We also like to thank AIA President Umaji, also Niren Chaudhary, COVID group, those who started charity since April. They are with us. We catered more than 20,000 meal to all the hospital, police, all the food pantry and the kitchen soup. That's what we did. That we also provided the grocery. We distributed the masks.
Well, first of all, thank you for being here and helping us to help our clients. We've done in 1 hour over 80 clients that we've taken care of, and we'll be here till 1:30. We'll probably do over 300. I want to thank the vegan food people, the vegan food drive, for the World Vegan Vision people who came together to help raise food for us. There's many organizations who come together, whether it's Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts, different companies throughout our township. Topgolf was here. FedEx was here. There was many different businesses that came here for the last 2 weeks to package our boxes. We have 500 boxes packed with non-perishable food items. We work together with McFoods and the Community Bank of Hillside, who help us, with the turkeys. We got 200 turkeys from the Community Food Bank in Hillside, who Stop and Shop donated those turkeys to the Hands of Hope. And the rest of the food, some we have to buy because we make sure that every box has the same amount of food in it for each client. Now, what they'll get today is a turkey, a box of food, and everything to make a Thanksgiving dinner for their family. And we're probably going to help over 300 families. And we do this. We've been doing it for 27 years. I've been here for over 20 years. So, and it helps a lot of families. And since the pandemic, our numbers have gone up 40 to 50%. And today will probably be one of our busiest Thanksgivings that we've been since the Great Recession. So, but we can't thank the volunteers enough. As you can see, all the groups, so we have different people from all over Middlesex County, a lot of Rutgers students, and a lot of people from Edison who come out here and help us.